Hello guys, today we will learn about Java. It is a programming language, so it is very interesting. So what exactly is Java? Java is a powerful, versatile programming language created in 1995 by Sun Microsystem, now maintained by Oracle. It is used everywhere like Android apps, web servers, games like Minecraft, and even enterprise software running banks and businesses. Why is Java so special? And because Java is platform independent, Java program can run on any devices with the Java Virtual System (JVM), and also because of its versatility from mobile apps to the cloud system. Java does it all. Before going to learn Java, we will learn about data types. In Java, there are two types of data type: primitive data type and reference data type. There are many primitive data types like byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. Mainly int and double and char are the most important. They are used in many programs. Then comes reference data types like classes, interference, arrays, and null. So we will start our first program. First, we'll create a new project named Java. Then we will create a new class named Hello. Now we will start writing our first program. Class Hello. Sorry. We will first declare the class name and then we'll start. First we write public static void main. It is a line that is written in every program we will write. We will learn how to print a line. So first we'll write system.out.println. So to print a line, we have to write system.out.println, and then in the bracket, we will line the sentence that will be print and we'll compile it. We have to write semicolon and then compile, and we will run the program. See, the line hello world is printed. So for today's class, it is up to this. Later we will learn more about the program.